Hey everyone, so I stopped the video real quick so I can show you what I'm doing. I've never done this before, and so I'm actually doing this off camera so you don't really see what I'm doing, but all I'm doing is making cuts for this X piece that I put on the side with these 2x2s. The reason why I'm doing it off camera is because in case I screw up, you don't have to watch me screw up, and I can just do it and get it done with. So anyway, so I cut this first piece. These are 45-degree angles, and I needed this piece. I needed to get this piece cut. So what I did was I clamped it to the base, the frame, in the places that it's supposed to be, and then on the other side I went and marked all the places where I needed to cut, because this piece needs to kind of interlock with this first piece right here. So again, I've never done this before, so if there's an easier way of doing it, I would love to know, but this is how I'm doing it. Super easy for me, and it makes sure that I have the cuts perfect, or correct I should say, because I'm not the best at angles, and some of my cuts are not perfectly straight, especially right here. This one you don't want to get really close up to look at it, but there's like a little gap right there, but anyways, it still fits. But yeah, so that's what I'm doing, and I'm gonna do that for the other side, and I may do something for the top. I'm not sure yet, so we will see, and let's continue.
Tonight.